In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your Siteground cache to make sure your latest changes appear on your website. This is a quick and simple process that should take no more than 5 minutes, and it's crucial if you want your updates to be visible to your visitors without delay. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Siteground's website. Open your favorite browser and navigate to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a button labeled Login in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. With the login page in front of you, enter your credentials to access your account. It's important to remember your Siteground login details, as this will allow you to proceed with the cache clear out effectively. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Siteground account dashboard. Here you'll find a tab labeled My Siteground Account. Click on it to reveal a list of all the websites hosted under your account. This is where you will manage the specific site you want to update. Next, look for a button called Site Tools. Clicking on this will give you access to a variety of options designed to help you manage and optimize your website. These tools are very powerful, and knowing how to use them can be a great advantage in maintaining a high-performing site. Now that you're in the Site Tools dashboard, focus your attention on the Speed section. Clicking on this will unfold several options related to the speed and performance of your website. Site speed is pivotal not only for user satisfaction, but also for search engine rankings. Among the options under the speed section, find the one that says caching. Click on it and you'll see different caching options available for your site. Caching helps your site load faster by storing a version of it that can be quickly accessed. One of the most effective types of caching is dynamic cache, which you'll need to access by clicking on its corresponding tab. The dynamic cache is particularly useful for WordPress users or those who have dynamic content, as it caches the output of your PHP pages. Finally, you'll be able to see the option to flush the cache. By clearing the dynamic cache, you're essentially removing the old stored files, so your website will now serve up-to-date content to your visitors. This is ideal when you're trying to ensure that the most current version of your site is what everyone sees. And there you have it, you've successfully cleared your Siteground cache. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your website reflects the latest changes promptly. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever new updates need to be made visible on your site.